Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where I break down Salsa and Bachata Moves. My name is Alexandros, I come from the island of Cyprus, and today we're going to be doing, for my opinion, quite simple footwork, but it can become difficult when it goes a little bit faster, and you have to think a little bit more open-minded of allowing your hands to go up in the sky and allowing your body to also swivel with a more movable way instead of just doing this. Okay, I'll show what I mean because it's in every video now that we're doing. First I show it with counting, medium counting, so you can see if you like it. Then I break it down into the lesson. Then at the end of the video we can do it together with music. You can jump anywhere within the streamline and go whatever place you want with the music, with the count. Let's go with the count. 5, 6, basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and shaking. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That last term, you know I have it everywhere. I'll put it here as well. Search for it. It's actually 1 or 2, never 1.5. Okay, so I hope you like even one step so you can use it. Especially in the beginning we have little jumps, and at the end we have from the cubano and the typical Suzy Q's with shimmies. Let's go on. So it's not a very difficult footwork combination, guys. The thing is, by 7, you want to overcross with your right. If you're here and you do a jump, left out and right out, then you have almost just no energy. But if you come from across, it's a much bigger movement to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're hitting the 1, 3, 5, 7, the 4 accents in salsa. And 1, 2, 3, cross, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice now that I'm opposite from the foot, lifting up. Now to really go over the top, lift up the arm all the way here. Make sure you have your shoulder down and it's not up, and let it slide down. So when you're doing the jump, you're getting this result. Ba, ba, dum, ba, dum, ba. You don't want to get this. Ba-da-dum, 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 Okay? Let's go. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what's nice about this one, you're like, it's just a lace. We're going front and back. Okay? So, step, side, cross, step, cross to the front, side. The right foot always goes to the side, and the left interchanges, goes forward, cross, back, cross. Alright, and of course we start forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with feet apart. Now use also this rotation when you're doing it, boys and girls. Lower a little bit the knees, raise up on your heels if you like, if it makes you feel more comfortable, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Nice and powerful. Here we kick our butt before the 1, and you go 1, you hit down. I'll come a little bit more this way. 1, you hit down, and when the 1, you stick out your hip, and you do 2, 3 around. And 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. After the 1, 2, 3, you're going to pull yourself up, and then body wave yourself down with the ready foot to go into the basic. So let's take it from the lace part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do a basic now, and by 3 you're gonna hook turn. 1, 2, and 3. So that's a double speed. Not 1, 2, 3, 5, because then you won't have time. So it's a double preparation. 1, 2, first preparation, then you over twist yourself like so. So when you're in the cross, you get ready to turn, but then you change your mind and you go to the right. So here it is from that basic. 1, 2, and 3. 5, no, other side. And now we finish it a little bit this way. So you're going to use your basic, your back basic, to travel back to the front, do a shimmy with the knees, cross over, jump back. See it from the side, cross over, jump back. If you also like, you can do jump back. This actually comes from the Cuban world, and they also used to use like throwing arrows. So it's a very nice step. 1, 2, 3, Suzuki with a shimmy, and 1, 2, 3, Suzuki with a shimmy, and back into the basic. Let's do it from the beginning one last time, and then with music. Come on, guys. Get off that sofa. Put down that iPad. No, keep it up. 5, 6, basic first. 1, 2, 3, over cross on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prep and turn. Basic. Preparación. Cross back. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Cross back. Shimmy. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Let's go with music.